how to see hidden text with red marker on screenshot. So if you want to see the hidden text with red marker or any kind of marker on your screenshot, then what you need to do is you need to have an application which is Snapseed. After opening your Snapseed, you need to tap anywhere to open a photo and then go with the photo where you have the marker. Now go with done, which will be in the bottom. Now you will have this kind of interface, right? So you just need to simply go with the tools which will be on the middle of your screen. Now you need to go with tune image. Go with the option adjust right here on the bottom, and from here you can just simply go and adjust the brightness and many more things like the contrast and ambience or highlights and many more. Once you do that, now if your text is transparent, then you will be able to see the hidden text, or if your marker is transparent, you'll be able to see the text. But if it's not working with this application, then you won't be able to see your hidden text because the marker was opaque. So that's it. Try this and it might fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.